taking some work of DJ here, going downwind. Wish I was in a bigger rib. Okay, a lot of weight back, a lot of accurate trim. Look where the kite's breaking. Pole could go a little bit higher than that if you wanted. Plenty of bow lift, plenty of bear away. We'll try and get an idea. Oh yeah, you can see the plate, look, plate's well up. We'll freeze frame that. Nice and high coming in. Aggressive movement on the pole. Let's see how this drop goes. Working along the foot, kite going in, everything's stable. Lots of help from the skipper. Hopefully they're going to go upwind for me in a minute. Beautiful work. Okay, mainsail mapping straight away on that mainsail. Would expect that today. Quite a lot of twist on there. Having a look at the jib if we can. Oh yeah, see those telltales on the jib? So we've got windward side telltales. Definitely getting rid of all of the air. Fourth corner nicely open on the jib. Mainsail flat as a butcher's dog. A butcher's dog's flat, I don't know about that. Classic twist shot. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Leech profile. Mainsail mapping working together. Bit of rag there. A lot of rag there. Jib should be blown at that stage. There you go, jib's going a bit late. Now that the jib's gone, see how much quieter the mainsail is, see how much relative twist we've got in there, how much relative twist we've got in the jib now. Tack coming up. Nice tack, boys. Get the pace on. Check the centre plate, ladies and gentlemen, how high it is. Not massively out of the boat, it's not like a 470. I'd run more Cunningham if I could. Shut the top of that mainsail up. Again, more twist, and now we're definitely on an ease that kicker level. Okay.